Welcome. Are you looking for a movement session that doesn't take you out of your comfort zone? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's begin. Just gently roll your shoulders back, gently bend your knees, and begin to really connect each and every movement to the breath. Today is all about Hygge as we continue our Nordic themed week. Hygge is a real philosophy of life. Many books written about it. To me, it's the power of presence, the power of simplicity, connecting and living in the now, finding real pleasure in the simplest of things. And I'd like to carry that into a movement session today. Wow, rolling our shoulders back, just gently squatting and bending our knees. Whether it's lighting a candle when you come home, putting on a nice warm blanket, or having a cup of tea, there's many things that can give us that nice, warm, Hygge feeling. I think we can move in a Hygge type way. Let's try that in this session today. Ooh, let's simply shift our weight from side to side. Bring your heel up off the ground and begin just to gently look to the side. Just a nice stretch in our neck. Today's session should feel real comfortable. Movement sessions, exercise, doesn't always have to be no pain, no gain. It's nice to work hard sometimes, certainly. But it's also nice just to move in ways that nourish the body and the mind and the soul. Hygge comes from an old Norse word, which actually means consciousness, soul. We connect our breath to each movement, bring this present moment awareness, seeing that this moment could be as good as it gets if I'm truly present, truly alive in this moment, not trying to get to the next thing, not wanting more. Oh, lovely. Very deliberate twist. Bring it down just a little bit so we get a nice little back bend. But just move very deliberately, again, in a way that feels nice for you. I like this, not getting out of our comfort zone today. Finding our edge and staying right there, not going beyond. Hygge really can mean so much to each of us. The most Hygge thing in my life, I think, is my neck warmer. Getting outside, embracing the cold, put that neck warmer on, something feels comfortable and cozy. I know I'm gonna stay warm when I go out. I have my thermos of tea here beside me. As soon as this session's over, I'm gonna sit down, have some tea, and just be. Oh, no, I'll feel so much better for it from just moving my body in a comfortable way. Okay. Step out, reach down, circle the arms. Let's stretch out our hamstring. This can be done in so many ways. You can get real deep and raise your arms up if that feels comfortable to you. Also, just this gentle moment, gentle movement. Whatever feels right. Really, whatever feels peaceful, tranquil for you in today's session, do that. And do that more often. All movement counts. It all matters. I invite you to really breathe in and let it all out. Deep breath in. No going deeper today, pushing harder. Okay. You know how I love the squats. Love to build strong legs. I think we can do it in a real comfortable way too, with this gentle pulse squat. Consciously swing your arms back and forth. Squat down as little as you possibly can. Do it consciously. With wonder and awe. Sense of wow. Oh, the birds are so active. Wow. It really is this simplicity for life that the most ordinary of things become extraordinary. We truly pay attention. When we lived in the south of Spain, beautifully warm and sunny all the time, and one of our sons said to us, I miss the coziness of home back in Finland. It's that coming in on a really rain and quote unquote miserable day and coming into your home, having that sense of coziness and calm. That's Hygge to me. Okay. That's side bend. Just back and forth. I invite you to bring your hands behind your body if possible. I mean, we're here. We could build some mobility at the same time, but just again, what's comfortable? Just the most slightest of side bends. As always, choose your own Hygge adventure. I think this would be a good time too for us to comment. What's Hygge mean to you? What's one thing in your life that really gives you that sense of comfort, calm, allows you to connect to the present moment? It just feels good. Let's share, inspire each other. There's a sense of community that comes with Hygge as well, the collective good. We do like socialism here in the Nordics. Taking care of one another. I'm not sure how that can be bad. All right. Now, let's just open our chest up. Ever so gently. Step back. I invite you to come to the top of your foot and push down just to feel a gentle stretch in the ankle. Hey, let's build some ankle mobility in our comfort zone. Yes, indeed. Head up high. Just move and be. Oh, lovely. Let's finish today's session coming into prayer and just very gently shifting our weight from side to side. Breathe into one side, out to the other. And just be in the most calm and comfortable way you can. I'm going to turn the camera around while we do this, just so you can see. I have the most extraordinary view and I'd like to share it with you. Just continue to shift from side to side. Bring full presence, the sounds of the birds, the visuals. I'll see you in a moment. Thank you for being with me today. Have the most glorious day. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.